the County Commissioner Kirinyaga. First and foremost, I want to tell you that arising from the death of 17 people as a result of consumption of illicit liquor, a declaration was made that all the bars and liquor outlets in Kirinyaga County be closed. And to confirm to you today that all the bars and liquor outlets in Kirinyaga County have closed, have done an operation, and want to confirm that all the outlets are closed except for a few who want to play some tricks on us, because they close the main door and they sell from, but our officers are out and they want to ensure compliance of the declaration that all bars and liquor outlets be closed. We have formed a multi-agency committee. As you can see now, this comprises both national and the county government, and all agencies are here as the CC has said.
Na kuma muthenya wa Saturday ni tukoretwo na crackdown ya kubinga irabu ciothe nigetha we pave way for a fresh vetting, na ni twambirie process yo munde, na ni tura request and othe mena mbathi ni wa Kirinyaga magakorwo within their premises kuma rucio kiroko tondu gwi kamiti gakorwo ikithiuruka.
We have already arrested many. We are talking, somebody has been arrested in this town here, and I think from here we are all heading there. If you go with us, you will find evidence that our officers are doing everything possible to make sure that those illegal brewers are brought to book, and we want to make sure the county is safe. So we are asking for support and cooperation from all stakeholders, including the media. Thank you so much.
Maybe one question on the county commissioner.
As a result of sale of illicit liquor here, siku yake imefika. Story siku kosa. Wamecover 959,000 out of sale of illegal liquor. Proceeds of crime 959,740 have been recovered as a result of proceeds of crime from the sale of illicit liquor. You know, police officers have done a good job. We need to congratulate them and thank them for the good job they've done. Thank you so much. Have your question?
Report